All right, I've got a fresh camera battery. Going to get more coffee. It is Vlogtober. Let's do this. Good morning. I'm not gonna do a huge intro because I'm gonna be doing this pretty much every day for the next, hang on, my camera lens is dirty. My name is Lindsay. I am the creator behind Simply Serving on Etsy, Simply Serving HK on Instagram, here on YouTube, and then I'm Simply Serving Art on Twitch, but I don't ever stream, so probably don't need to follow me there. Yeah, welcome. I don't know if I'll make it every day. That's what I think every Vlogmas or Vlogtober vlogger says. But I will be taking you guys along for as much as I can of October up to Halloween. I don't really know what else to say. Hope you guys are excited to join me. I'm doing a really good job so far. I hope I get better. Working non-stop today. I'm gonna head to the post office now and then go get the kids from school, and then I will be working for another good 2 or 3 hours. I will see you guys later this evening. Hello, it is 7:30 and Adam is helping me. He is out in the studio finishing, or well, we're starting the process of getting a big wholesale order packaged. But I'm hungry, so I'm gonna have leftover Alfredo. Last night we had Alfredo with peas, and that's what I'm going to have. And then I'm gonna put the kiddos to bed. We'll probably have a fairly late night so we can get this order out first thing in the morning. A very, very busy Friday, but I'm hoping this weekend we kind of chill a little bit more. Adam also let me have the rest of these, which I haven't had before, I don't know. I don't know if I like them more than Andy's hot fries, or they're pretty good though. I like them. I'm also really hungry though, so I might be biased because it's food. Such a good combination, right? Good evening, guys. It is much later. It is just after 9:30, and I just got done working. Adam helped me, and we just got done with the box, so I'm really happy that that's done. And I'm going to take just a little bit of time to work on my Inktober, which I did try to talk about it on the vlog earlier, but there was a lot of feedback from my fan in the studio, and so I just figured I'd talk about it later when I actually did it. But our lighting, I will show you these books, but we bought special sketchbooks this year for Inktober. We are doing Jake Parker's Inktober because Adam has been following him for a long time and wanted to do his Inktober challenge. So, but the sketchbooks that we got, I think I know I've mentioned them on my Instagram, but I don't think I have on here yet. But they are from Bear East Books, and I met the owner of the company through Twitch, and he is so talented. As you can see, these sketchbooks are amazing. The paper quality is amazing. I just can't say enough good things, and I will continue to just sing the praises of these sketchbooks throughout the month, because that's what we're going to be doing our art challenge in for October. And this one, originally it just had the skull, but he sent me a little sample of the canvas that he uses for some of his covers to kind of play with, and so I added this candle on the top, and it's actually, ooh, it's not going to show very well. You can kind of see the shadow, so it's kind of 3D, which I really like. So anyway, day one of Inktober is, the prompt is crystal. So that is what Adam and I are working on, and the kids also are going to do Inktober with us as much as they feel like. We're just gonna have fun with it. Alright, so here's my Inktober, which doesn't use any ink, it used paint. But I decided to go with like a healing crystal. So we have a very emo looking heart with a healing crystal put over it with a band-aid, and I hope it makes it feel better. So we're gonna go check and see what Adam ended up making. Did you finish yours? Yeah. Ooh, I love it. Do you love it? Are you super happy with it?
Sorry.
I like yours better than mine. Do you want to see mine?
Mm-hmm.
Like a healing crystal.
Oh, no.
Mine's very emo.
It's very emo.
Yes. It reminds me of my high school drawings. I love yours though. A lot. That's really cool, babe. Siri.
What's the next day?
Day one. Suit is tomorrow. I really like yours. I think it's awesome. Alright guys, that is going to be it for me tonight. Got everything done I wanted to get done, so that's good. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Good night.